What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle. And as you can see, there is another car that I got my ass sitting on. This is a 2000 BMW 323i. It is a 5-speed rear-wheel drive car. And we just picked this one up. Got it for pretty cheap, what I think. Drove over to the east side of the state, over towards Detroit. I don't think it was a bad price for $3,100. Does have a welded diff. It's sitting on some BMW Rep 19-inch wheels. It's a coupe, two-door, leather on the inside. Leather's pretty tore up. Sunroof is operable, but it looks like it might have came off the chain, or the guide might have came off, so that needs to be adjusted. Small little things like that. I think it only has 160K on it. So motor-wise, the car is good. Function-wise, the car is good. Just small little things that need to be gone through for a $3,000 car. I'll do a quick walk around of the body. Body's pretty straight. It's got its normal, I guess, dents and dings and starting to be a rust in certain spots. Does look like he's got it lowered from the guy we had picked it up from. But I think overall for 3,000 bucks, it's a steal of a deal to get just a nice tuner car. So I'll do a quick walk around. Otherwise, like I said, 160K on the 2.5 inline six. Interior's a little ripped up and stuff, but nothing that a couple hundred bucks can't fix. So let's do a little walk around of the car. All right, guys, so quick walk around. So you can see it's on some big 19s. They are BMW wheels. I think they're probably just some rep BMW wheels. Of course, this is a CI coupe. Coupe convertible are the CIs. It's already got a plate on it though. Otherwise, small little things, you know, just missing a few little lights here and there. This door handle just needs to be fixed. You do have to pull on it from the inside. Otherwise, the interior is in pretty good shape, besides the door cards. And then, of course, that older ceiling style starting to hang a little bit. No getting on into it. Well, like I said, it's only got 160K, which isn't bad at all. 5-speed stick. Small little things would be, this is hanging a little bit. That'll be easy. The previous owner had tore this shit all up, but I'll be able to fix that. The sunroof does start to open. It just doesn't shut all the way. The leather isn't in horrible shape. All the power functions work. Lights work. Go through all gears real well. Like I said, it does have a welded diff, which is perfectly fine. The Z has a welded diff, and I mean, you can daily drive it if you want. It's just, you know, welded diff is a little tough to drive on, especially in the rain. It'll wear up the tires pretty quick, and you don't know what it's really doing, I guess, to the rear end and maybe the tranny. But for 3,100 bucks, guys, for a 2000 323 BMW, I think it's a great steal. It's something that I'm kind of excited just to rip around, bounce around in while I've got the other cars. But this was the video for today. Just a quick walk around of the 323. Let's get on out. Like I said, not in bad shape. Just small little things. Have to clean up the tail lights, stuff like that. This little fake rep wing's kind of coming off, so we'll have to touch that up. Otherwise, guys, that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm loving the feedback. Peace out, and until next time.